Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Word and signing in so your files sync. This avoids lost work and grants cloud access. Once done, grant storage and microphone permissions. Word needs storage to open files and mic for dictation. Now open the app and tap the plus icon to create a blank doc, or tap open to load a file from OneDrive or device storage. Make sure to choose a template if you want preformatted headings and styles, which speeds drafting. You edit by long pressing to select text, then use the floating toolbar to apply bold, italic, or underline. This keeps your workflow fast. Once selected, tap Styles to apply heading 1 or normal so your document structure is consistent and navigable. For layout, change font size, color, or alignment from the Home tab. Insert images or tables from Insert when visuals are needed. If collaborating, enable review mode and track changes so edits are visible and reversible. You finish by saving. Auto-save to OneDrive gives version history, while Save stores a local copy. Use Export to create a PDF when sending a fixed layout. Once saved, tap Share to send a link or file and set editing permissions to control access. If something goes wrong, first restart the app, then clear cache or update the app to fix bugs. If crashes persist, reinstall Word and confirm you have enough free storage. These steps resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.